Hey everyone, so today I'm up in the Lake District. I'm going to be doing Bowfell, Crinkle Crags, and then hopefully, if weather and time allows, we'll go and do Pike as well. So it's great to be here, beautiful December day. Looks like it's going to be a bit misty up on the tops, but that shouldn't be a problem. Hopefully it'll clear, we'll see how the weather goes. So join me for this hike today. Decided to come back down from Bowfell rather than doing Crinkle Crags. The weather up there was really rough. There was constant hail and gales, and it was just unpleasant. And so carrying on along the ridge, it just wouldn't have been the right thing. So we've coming down around and back down the band. But it was really fantastic doing Bowfell and going along the Climbers Traverse and then up past the Great Slab. A fantastic mountain, and the walk up just really nice with the mist and the clouds and the wind all circling. So one of those things with hikes, and particularly in winter. So heading back down to the car now.